Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on Interactive Brokers. First, you'll need an active Interactive Brokers account. Make sure your account is fully verified and funded with enough capital to cover your desired crypto purchase. It's important to note that direct cryptocurrency trading through Interactive Brokers is currently available only to eligible U.S. clients. Always check your regional availability before proceeding. Interactive Brokers provides access to cryptocurrency trading through a partnership with Paxos Trust Company. This integration allows eligible U.S. clients to trade several popular cryptocurrencies directly within their existing IBKR account. You can trade assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. This streamlined approach means you don't need a separate crypto wallet or exchange account for these specific assets. To place a crypto trade, log into your Interactive Brokers platform, either the Trader Workstation or Client Portal. In the search bar, type the symbol for the cryptocurrency you wish to buy, such as BTCUST for Bitcoin. Enter the quantity you want to purchase and choose your preferred order type, like a market or limit order. Always review your order details thoroughly before clicking to transmit and execute your trade. When trading cryptocurrencies, remember that these markets operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Be mindful of the trading fees and commissions that apply to your transactions. It's crucial to understand that cryptocurrency prices can be highly volatile, leading to rapid and substantial price swings. Always consider your personal risk tolerance and invest only an amount you are comfortable potentially losing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.